Today we're going to take on the task of securing kitchen cabinets. Sometimes kitchen cabinets are a great place for the little ones to have fun, and sometimes you got stuff in there like these cake decorating supplies you just don't want them messing with, and so it's good to be able to have control of that. This is called Safety First. It comes with 8 locks and 2 keys. We'll leave a link in the description below. Putting all these 8 on, you probably do it in under a half hour. It goes really quick. The product itself is a bit of a step up. If you've seen our previous videos, we showed you how to secure cabinets in a pinch just by using zip ties. It works, but it's not the prettiest way to do it. These locks are all unseen, and you can lock them or unlock them according to your wishes. On the package it says, easy install, no tools or measuring needed. We're going to use tools just the same to make it extra secure, but again, super simple. Let's get to it. So you get 8 of these, a package of screws, and then 2 keys, and we'll show you how to use those at the end. We're going to take this alignment tool, and basically what it is this piece, this white piece is going to stay, this piece is going to come off. First thing we're going to do is peel off this backing right here, and sometimes it comes off real easy, and sometimes you got to kind of pry it off to get it started. So after we've peeled off the red tab, and it leaves that sticky surface, we want to have this facing you as you put it on the bottom edge of the cabinet right here. If you would, go ahead and like this video. If you get anything out of it, we really do appreciate it. Now, the ideal placement is about 1 inch from the corner of the cabinet when the door closes. And so we're going to put it like, gotta do this one motion. So we're going to put this against the face of the cabinet and then stick this straight up. And about 1 inch away, plus or minus is fine. It's not too terribly important. Just away from this side is what you want to have happen. There we go. So all you gotta do is stick it on there. We're going to peel off this tab. And now this is sticky. What it's going to do is, it's an alignment tool. So we'll just go ahead and close this door. And as we do, this alignment tab, this orange or this orangish yellowish piece, is going to stick against the face of this door and help us align where we're going to put the other piece. So you just press it like that. Now open it up, and there's our alignment tool right there. And this is the piece that's going to secure the lock. Now that we have our alignment tool on here and it's stuck on, we're going to take the actual locking mechanism, and it's going to end up sliding right over this like so. And that's going to line this up to right where it needs to be. So before we do that, we want to peel this off. Again, you got to take a little care as you peel that off to make sure you get it started. Okay. And now this orange tab here is going to go between, just right straight through there, and that lines this up perfectly. Now you'll see this is going to be partially hanging in over this empty space right here. Like this is going to sit attached to here, and then somewhat over this. So long as it has something on the side and something on the top to attach to, you'll be fine. So we'll just slide that on there like so, in between the guide, and then just stick it on. And really, really press good so it gets a good contact. Lift this off. We don't need this alignment tool anymore. I'm still holding this on. I really want it to get a good press. Okay, now that that's secure, we're going to go ahead and add 2 screws to this. So got our impact driver here. A drill or a screwdriver would work just as well. You can tighten it with the screwdriver with a little bit of force. All right, so that's super secure. And then this, they say just leave it like this and wait 24 hours. How this operates is right now, it can go in there. It doesn't touch this right now. It's unlocked. And then when you put it like this, that will lock it. So I'm not going to pull against it, but it's locked now. They give you these keys right here, and it's just a magnet. And all you got to do is place it where the lock is. And you can hear that click. That pushed it down. And there it goes. So you can see when it's in this position with the button pushed in, this locking mechanism can go up and down until you bring the magnet close to it, and that pulls it down. And that's how it's opened, with that down. Otherwise, it's in the locking position. And then if you want to just use, say the little ones are gone and you want to just not bother with locks, there you go. That stays down. Now the cabinet functions as normal. They're well concealed. They're strong. They work like a dream. And all you got to do is place this somewhere in the kitchen on something magnetic, like a dishwasher. We typically don't put it down that low because the kids will figure it out all too quick. But up on the sink, up on the stove, on the fridge, wherever. So the install time is so incredibly quick. We did this in about 3 minutes. They're about 40 bucks, so they're not cheap. The utility of these is really great. For a slight investment, you can get 8 of these, and that 40 bucks goes a pretty long way to securing your cabinets. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.